As we get older, maintaining a clean home can become increasingly difficult. The discomfort of bending over, the weariness from a long day, or simply a decrease in energy can transform cleaning into a daunting chore. However, there's great news. Extensive scrubbing or lugging around heavy cleaning equipment isn't necessary. By adopting a few straightforward habits, you can keep your home tidy and welcoming without exhausting yourself. These 10 simple cleaning strategies are designed specifically for seniors, providing clever ways to keep your living space fresh and orderly without strenuous effort. If you find housework burdensome or feel your efforts are yielding little result, these tips are meant for you. Let's explore these easy cleaning tips that will help you manage your household more efficiently, saving both time and energy. 1. Declutter a little at a time. Decluttering doesn't have to be a huge task. Try removing just one item each week, whether it's an old pair of shoes, a piece of clothing you no longer wear, or an unused kitchen tool. This gradual approach will help you avoid feeling overwhelmed and make your home feel more spacious. For instance, Helen, a retired librarian, keeps a donation box near the door. "I donate or toss things regularly, and it keeps clutter from building up," she says. By decluttering in small doses, you can keep your home organized without a big-time commitment. 2. Invest in smart cleaning tools. Technology is on your side when it comes to making cleaning easier. Robot vacuums, automatic mops, and self-cleaning appliances are great options to save time and effort. Tom, a retired engineer, loves his robot vacuum, which he calls Vicky. Vicky cleans the floors while I relax with a cup of tea. It's a huge time saver, he says. These gadgets are perfect for seniors who find traditional cleaning physically demanding. 3rd nightly reset, a quick end-of-day routine. Take just 5 minutes before bed to tidy up your space. Fluff pillows, fold blankets, and put things back where they belong. A quick nightly reset ensures you wake up to a fresh, organised home. For example, Margaret, a retired teacher, enjoys this evening routine. "I tidy up before bed, and it's so refreshing to wake up to a neat home," she says. A little nightly upkeep can make a big difference the next morning. 4. Choose easy clean fabrics for furniture. Select furniture materials that are easy to maintain, like microfiber or leather. These materials are durable, stain-resistant, and wipe down effortlessly, making cleaning much simpler. Janet, a retired interior designer, recommends microfiber furniture for easy care. Spills just wipe off instantly. It's the perfect choice for a low-maintenance home, she says. This tip will make cleaning your furniture feel like a breeze. 5. Use Lazy Susan trays for easy access. Lazy Susan trays aren't just for the kitchen. These rotating trays are perfect for organising your pantry, bathroom, or even cleaning supplies. No more bending or reaching. Just spin to get what you need. Sophia, a grandmother, swears by her Lazy Susan for kitchen storage. "I no longer have to stretch to reach things on the top shelf. Everything is right at my fingertips," she says. These trays can save you time and reduce strain on your body. 6. Set a timer for quick cleaning bursts. Make cleaning more manageable by setting a timer for short bursts of activity, 10 to 15 minutes at a time. Breaking it into small, timed sessions helps keep the task from feeling too overwhelming. For instance, Jack, a retired accountant, uses this method. "I set the timer for 10 minutes, and in that short time, I get a lot done," he says. These short, focus bursts make cleaning feel less like a chore. 7. Spot clean your bathroom for less scrubbing. Instead of waiting for a big cleaning day, do a little spot cleaning in the bathroom every day or two. Wipe down surfaces after each use to prevent build-up, and use a squeegee in the shower to eliminate soap scum. Emma, a retired nurse, cleans while she brushes her teeth. "I wipe down the shower tiles with a cloth every time I'm in there," she says. By staying on top of bathroom cleaning, you can avoid the need for long scrubbing sessions. 8. The 1-minute rule. If a task takes less than a minute, do it right away. Whether it's wiping up a spill, putting away dishes, or hanging up a coat, these quick actions help keep your home clutter-free. David, a retired teacher, always follows this rule. Whenever I see something that needs to be done, I take care of it immediately. It only takes a second, and my house stays tidy, he says. Small tasks add up over time and help you maintain a clean home with minimal effort. 9. Switch to a wheel laundry basket. Carrying a heavy laundry basket can strain your back. A wheel laundry basket makes transporting your clothes much easier. Just roll it to the laundry room instead of lifting it. Linda, a retired nurse, switched to a wheeled laundry basket. It's so much easier on my back. I just roll it where I need to go, she says. This small change can save you from physical strain while doing your laundry. 10. Daily surface wipes for quick maintenance. Instead of cleaning an entire room, focus on wiping down the high-traffic surfaces like your kitchen counters, dining table, or nightstands. A quick wipe each day helps keep dirt and dust from piling up. Stephen, a retired chef, makes it a habit to clean his kitchen after every meal. I wipe down the stovetop right after I cook. It saves me a lot of time later, he says. Daily surface cleaning can help you stay on top of messes without needing to deep clean regularly. Final thoughts. These 10 easy cleaning tips can help seniors keep their homes neat and organised without exhausting themselves. By making small adjustments, like adopting smart tools or developing simple routines, you can enjoy a clean home without the stress. Every little effort counts. If you found these tips useful, please remember to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Timeless Wisdom for more useful advice. Take care, and thank you for watching.